Welcome back to Gastronomic. This is how to cut a carrot. First up, grab your favorite peeler. I love these little plastic ones. Nice and sharp and light. Our first cut is going to be a small dice. Start by lobbing off the top and bottom of the carrot. Then I like to cut it in half to make it more manageable. Once it's in half, I'm going to make a flat side and then flip it over onto that flat side to hold it steady while I strip it into julienne batons. Here's what a regular julienne cut looks like. After this, I'm going to rotate the carrots 90 degrees to complete the small dice cut. Next, go ahead and wrangle up only enough julienne carrots that you feel comfortable with. Then, keep those fingers tucked back, run your knife up and down your middle finger, and complete the cut. The next cut I'm going to show you is actually one of my favorite cuts to make. It's called the oblique. It's kind of a weird cut, and what you're going to do is you're going to make a diagonal cut and then rotate the carrot 180 degrees. Always making the cut on top of the carrot through the diagonal cut you cut before. This is great for stocks and soups. It gives you a lot of surface area to really get some color on the vegetable. The next cut I'm going to make is a large julienne, otherwise known as carrot sticks. Then we'll finish off with another fun knife cut, carrot coins. As you can see, there's plenty of ways to cut a carrot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.